Hello everyone. So today is today is September 4 and wala akong pasok. Samahan nyo ako. Pagawa ko muna tong aking bike kasi ginagamit ito ng tropa. Medyo mahina daw yung kanyang brake. So plano namin mag-bike na yun kasi yun yung medyo magandang panahon dito. Medyo mainit. Pero ang temperature ay I think 11 today. Pero maaraw. So sarap mag-bike. So ayan. So everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jerbo in Poland. So welcome back to Poznan Poland, guys. Ayan. Ito ang aming compound. Yun ang mga bike namin. So tanggalin ko muna sa doon. Yun, samahan nyo ako. Dalhin muna natin sa repair shop. Ayan guys, so yan yung bike ko. Ayan. So mahina daw yung brake niya. Kasi nilinis ko to. Kasi in general cleaning ko siya. I-scrub ko yan. Then sabi nung tropa, isprayan daw ng WA-40 kasi medyo kinalabang yung kanyang chain nung winter. Inisprayan ko siya, after ko siyang linisin, inisprayan ko siya ng WD-40 para totally matanggal yung mga tira-tirang kalawang. So medyo hindi yata maganda yung pagkakagawa ko. So nagka-problema naman yung brake. So halos walang brake yung likod. Ayaw niya kumagat. Kaya tara, dalahin muna natin to sa repair shop. Go guys! Hello guys, so ayan, nandito na tayo. So ayan, yung kanyang display. Pero ang shop nandun pa sa likod, pero malapit lang naman. So hindi pa ako expert talaga sa bike guys, kaya kitagilid pa ang aking camera. So yan, so hindi ko pa maalis ang aking dalawang kamay sa nobela. Ayan. So, dito na tayo. Brother! Chess! How are you? Brother, please check my brake. What is your good name, brother? It seems like we need to change the brake pad. Is it? Can you try? Can you? Because I actually.
You want to put brakes? You need to change this whole.
How much is that?
150 zloty.
150.
Yeah.
But if not really good brake, it's like if we need to change only the brake pad.
Yeah, but we don't have this brake pad.
Oh, you don't have brake pad. Oh, it's the last price.
It's the most cheap element for this bike.
The most cheap,
But will be
very good.
good.
It's good.
Widzenia?
Oh, 150. So you cannot do something rather than change? Only we need to change?
No. We don't have parts from service. We need to buy this and then we can change.
Ah, okay. Because I'm not really a habitual biker, so I only use once in a while. So I think it's not advisable to change the whole part.
Maybe you don't have the brake because you have oil on your...
Yeah. So can you do something just to like clean or...
But not now. For 2 weeks. So later. More bikes on the service.
Come back next week.
No.
Or I...
For 2 weeks. If you come back, we can. My friend will be on the service. 2 service sums, and we can
Okay.
make it for 1 or 2 days. To start, we can clean this one and brake parts. Also, maybe it will be better.
Now you can do it now?
No, sorry, no. Have a work for
Okay.
2 weeks.
Oh, you have a 2 weeks schedule of service, Okay. Brother, thank you. Can you try to ride and then test? Can you please?
I see that.
you see the problem? Because you know what I did? I put, I clean. I totally clean and then I put WA-40. You know this WA-40?
Oh, I see that you have oil on your...
Yeah.
Too much. Too much oil on your chain. And you have on your brakes this oil and it don't work.
Okay. Okay, brother, thank you. I will come back. Ayan, so nahirapan ako mag-English, guys. Naman, papalitan 150. My gosh, ito, papalitan daw to. Papalitan daw to buo. 150. So yun ang nangyari, guys. Tayo na tuloy. hindi siya natin ipapayos ngayon, pero mukha na actually nagagamit ko din naman yung brake niya. Actually nagagamit ko siya. Hindi nga lang ganun kalakas yung kanyang brake. So pwede naman siyang gamitin. Hindi nga lang makakatakbo ng mabilis or makakatutok sa sinusundan para avoid accident. Silip tayo sa labas niyo makita. So ito yung kanilang service shop. Yung makita yung kanilang mga bicycle dito, yan may mga bike sila dito. So guys, dami hanggang sa taas yan, astig yan, dami. Pili na kayo, guys. Ayan. Gaganda. Ito, the best one. Look at that. And then the other one, see? Road bike. Ganda. This one, look. Oh, very nice. Yan. So yan, pili na kayo. Pili na kayo ng bike. Yan. Tapos na ako. Makapagalitan na ako. I will go home na. Ayun guys, so uwi na tayo. Tsagain muna natin to. Dahan-dahan na lang ang takbo para hindi tayo madisgrasya. Kasi plano ng tropa na magbike ngayon kasi ito maganda nga ang panahon. Okay, see you in a moment, guys. Ito na. We'll go home na. Bye, brother. Bye.
Have you YouTube channel?
Again?
Have you YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have YouTube channel.
Oh, I can find.
You have also?
No. I used to YouTube.
You are watching YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll put this in my channel.
Okay. How I can find it? Please me right.
Okay, thank you. Nanonood daw si brother ng YouTube.
Where from?
Jerboy in Poland.
No.
It's JERIBOY
Yeah. Nice.
in Poland. That's it. Okay. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yeah. What is your good name again?
Ilya.
Ilya.
Time.
Aha. Okay. Nice meeting you, brother.
I'm from Ukraine.
Aha. Okay. But you're Ilya. Ilya. Okay guys, ayan, uwi na ako. And then baka lumabas kami. See you later guys. Ayan guys, so ayan, nakauwi na ako. Ayan, so nasa parking na ulit ang mga bike. Ayun. So balik na lang tayo next week or after 2 weeks para malinisan na siya, maayos na. Ayun, so paano? Salamat sa inyong pagsama. Sa muli. See you in my next vlog guys. Bye bye. Bye. Thank you for your time. Bye.